Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my Valentine's Day shadow box using mostly Dollar Tree supplies. What you're going to need to pick up is one of these square shadow box glass frames, one of the dangling hearts decor pieces, some fabric of your choice. I've been asked where my fabric came from, and it was from Joann's. The first thing you do is take off the back of the frame, and the writing is actually on the inside. So take some acetone and a cotton ball and just wipe it right off. You'll be surprised how easy it really does come off. Once your lettering is off, take some cereal box cardboard and cut a square that's the same size as the original backing. Actually cut two because this is your new backing. So we're going to take some glue and we're just going to attach them to each other, right sides together, so that we have a gray piece of cardboard. Cut your fabric to be a little bit larger than your square, and then with some Mod Podge, attach your fabric to the chipboard square. Once your fabric is dry, just trim it off. We're going to need to raise it up, so I took a scrap piece of the cereal box and I just cut a bunch of little squares, and then I glued them together so that they were a little bit of a height. I think there were like 8 pieces, I don't remember, but just enough to raise the heart to make it look like it's 3D. Choose which heart you want to use as your item in your shadow box. I chose the XO, and hot glue your little riser to the back of the heart, and then just simply glue your heart with the riser onto your fabric chipboard covered piece, and then just replace it and put it back in the frame. Save your other piece because we can make other holidays just as easily, like St. Patrick's Day. This is what the completed piece looks like. The heart really fits in there perfectly, I think. And here I have it displayed in my living room. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.